What's up, beautiful people? In today's video, you have requested that you wanted to see all of the products that I own from Drunk Elephant. If you have been following me, you know that Drunk Elephant is my top favorite skincare line because it is very effective. It has clean ingredients and it just works. I've been using Drunk Elephant for a number of years now, and I stand behind their products. Even though it is very expensive, it truly works. I've recommended this line to a number of family and friends and other subscribers, and every time folks use this stuff, they come back to me and say how wonderfully this skincare worked for them and transformed their skin. So here is the lineup of products that I own, this wonderful color of the rainbow, and yes, the obsession is real. Every time I go to try different skincare products, my skin breaks out, it hates everything else. And when I come back to the Drunk Elephant, my skin clears up immediately. I guess you can say my skin has expensive taste. So let me go through all these wonderful products that I own. This is the A Passioni Retinol Cream, the TLC Framboux Glycolic Night Serum. This is a 10% AHA serum. Their Vitamin C Firma Fresh Day Serum. Their Proteini Power Peptide Resurf Serum. Their C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. Their Polypeptide Cream, which is an awesome proteiny cream, peptide cream, I should say, that gives you beautiful, smooth, moisturizing skin. Their D-Bronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops. I use these. I apply a few drops to my moisturizer and use it to give my skin a glow for those days that I don't want to wear a full face of makeup or foundation. This is their Sleigh Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser. This is their kind of like a beauty balm that you use as a first cleansing step before you get into your cleanser. This is great at removing long-wearing makeup. I have a mini version of their Proteini Polypeptide Cream, their Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. I just got sample of their Cocomino Glossing Shampoo and their Cream Conditioner. I have never tried their hair care line yet, so I'm excited to try these shampoos. Their Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum, I always get in a sample at Sephora. I've tried this serum a number of times. And I just got their Shaba Complex Eye Serum. I haven't tried this because I always use their C Tango Eye Cream. So I'm excited to try this as well. So there you go, guys. Like I said, this is such a great line. It truly, truly does transform your skin. You will see results anywhere between 4 to 6 weeks. Yes, expensive price tag, but they really, really work. There are other products that I have tried from the line that are not here, but these are pretty much my must-haves and the products that I use all the time. They also have cleansers, which I've used, but I don't find them to be anything special. They are just simple, clean cleansers that cleanse your skin, whereas I usually look for cleansers with active ingredients like salicylic acid that helps me with breakouts and such. So I don't really buy their cleansers, but everything else I do buy because it's that good. Yes, I've tried almost everything in their line except for their hair care line, which here I'm going to try their shampoo, but I'm sure it's going to be great. Anytime Drunk Elephant drops a new product, I'm the first one out the door to try it because they're really good. Tried, tested, and true. Like I said, I've been using them for a number of years, so I stand behind this line and can truly say that it truly works and makes your skin look fabulous. Anyways, guys, that's the quick video on my Drunk Elephant lineup. If you want a more in-depth video on any of these products, please let me know, and I would be happy to put out another video. Talk to you soon. Bye.